thank you very much for your presence here today. So TC9X is proud to have this conference and this workshop today because it gathers the most up-to-date and important research on ICT topic for railways. Thank you in particular for Knorr-Bremse as a sponsor of this event, Unife, Bureau Veritas, Cervelo and CNC for supporting this event. As you know, standardization is one of the key success factors for interoperability in Europe. We have recently received from the Commission a standardization request for standard to support the mandate M591 regarding interoperability. So at TC9X level, we have 38 standards at stake to manage, to revise or to create. And several standards, are providing support to the regulation, either by being directly referenced by the technical specification of interoperability or by providing presumption of conformity to the essential requirements. So standardization is really a key element in the European railways world. So under this mandate, of course, I cannot quote all the standards, but the main one, I would say, or the most active one, will be the one we discussed today, related to the train communication network, for example, that takes the outcome of the Connecta Shift2Rail project. We will have also two very important standards regarding the digital automatic couplers, for which we have which are part of the mandate from the Commission. So standardization allows to integrate the most recent research and foster interoperability and better services. But it's not only because, what we prepare in Europe is used as a basis for international standards. So this is an important point. For example, we have provided, and you discussed that before, a technical specification on cybersecurity, for which we had a new revision this year, to the TS5701. And this technical specification serves as a basis for the new international standard. So we can say that the European standard was released 2 years before any international standard related to cybersecurity for railways. So it's a way also to promote the European work in the railway domain. Another topic, we are talking about sustainability. I want to mention also the standard EN 5563 related to energy measurement, because we know that these standards are very useful to measure the energy consumption and, of course, to allow energy saving. Of course, we cannot quote all the standards, but for sure standardization is a part of innovation and railways development. So I hope that all the conferences that you will have today will foster you to be involved in standardization. I just want maybe to mention a dedicated group inside TC9X, which is called digitalization, in which we address topics such as artificial intelligence or digital twins. So you are welcome to participate to this group. I wish you a very good conference, and thank you very much for your attention.